Tricks.
I thought that was your phone.
Yeah.
I was like, holy shit, that is a fucking big camera.
Oh yes, that is a very bleeping big phone. Wanna run, Brock?
What the H-E double hot? Okay.
Ah, no, Brock. Let's run. Colin, we're gonna run. Oh, bro.
Hey, I brought mine too.
Oh my gosh, yes, Jake. I'm gonna get you, Brock. What the? Should I stay away? Ah! Hey. Hey.
Cameras.
Hey.
And filming at the same time, and it's really, really creepy. Stop that.
Colin, stop. Go away.
Yeah, go away.
Go away, Colin. Hey, it's Lawson. That's weird.
Blackout. And then there's Dalen. Okay, bye.
Alright, it's Austin.
Lots of chocolates.
Oh, look. It's
Chocolates.
broccoli.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, put it down.
What's up? Yo, I gotta holla out to my boys in NJ. Yeah. Where? Oh my god, it's that fat kid.
Hey, we're inside of our house. I bet you can't see it. Jake, take my camera and show them our house.
It's,
take my camera.
Oh, yeah.
Show them our house. Here's the house. Ah.
Oh my god.
There's the house. Okay.
Ah, brought the sunlight.
Which one's mine? It's not mine, thanks. Hey, YouTube, there's a crazy person on my house.
Oh my.
Doing
Whoa.
Colin, give me that soccer ball.
Fill me with my, like, interracial...
he's interracial.
Give me more balls.
That's Adidas, that's Nikes, that's Reebok, whatever that is, because Cowboys are terrible. And
I need balls.
I know. I like to
Then
take
what do you need?
Ball.
Don't throw that. I swear to God.
I'm not. Alright, he's gonna go down the slide.
Ah, don't. Oh my God.
Go, bro.
Wait, okay,
Stop.
wait.
Go.
I got this, Colin. I got this.
No, I want to push it.
No. Stop. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
No, stop. No, stop.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, Brock, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ben, you're really fat.
When I was at the Rangers game on Mother's Day, they just had endless peanuts, popcorn, and nachos.
He's really fat, but Jake's looking at his videos like a noob with his pizza. Why did I just say that? I'm sorry.
Hey,
I'm good.
slowly but surely, I did it all to nothing.
Index finger.
Ah. What the? What are you guys looking at?
It's worse when it gets into.
He's Nope. Hey, Austin, you doing homework? I'm obnoxious. I love you. Hey guys, we're just dual vlogging.
Hey, I would have filmed somebody doing dog.
You're good. That was frightening, so I didn't catch it. So, you know.
Oh yeah.
That's wrong too. Hey, look how awesome it looks outside. That looks awesome. But then over there it looks pretty good. And that's coming our way. That's going away. So F you clouds.
Right now and give you a score.
Oh, hey Canadian.
Oh, Taylor man. Nice. Colin, what you doing?